Hey guys, today we get to play with all these cool pop-up toys. Let's start off with the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, blue, orange, red. Dog, bear, monkey, lion. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yellow, blue, orange, red. Now let's do a Sesame Street pop-up. Ernie, Elmo, Cookie Monster, Oscar. Bye, Oscar. See you later, Cookie Monster. Hasta la vista, Elmo. Adios, Ernie. Green, blue, orange, gray. Here we have yellow duck, orange fish, brown cookie, and an orange and yellow worm. Look, Mickey, it's a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse pop-up. Are you excited? Oh, yes, he is. All right, let's begin. Donald, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, blue, pink, green. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, kids, this is our last pop-up of the day. Let's begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giraffe, elephant, panda, lion, monkey. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green, orange, purple, blue, pink. Okay guys, hope you liked this video. I'm sure Mickey did. He looks so excited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi kids, today we're gonna have fun with this learning titled The Little School Bus. Alright, let's start learning colors. Red, green, blue, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, blue. Now let's count 1 to 10. 1,
난 소방사. 불 끄는 일은 나한테 맡기라고.
2,
나는 불도저.
3,
난 구급차. 아픈 사람을 태우고 병원으로 띵띵.
4,
네 이름은 덤프트럭.
5,
난 견인차.
6,
나는 화물차.
7,
난 경찰차. 우리 동네 안전지킴이 출동.
8,
난 레디콘.
9,
난 택시. 손님을 빠르고 안전하게 고고.
10.
난 포크레인이야.
Now let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this side, we have a couple of things. There's a green bus, orange bus, red bus, another green bus, orange bus, red bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trumpet, xylophone, flute, violin, piano, grapes, orange, apple, watermelon, banana, lion, elephant, rabbit, tiger, duck, circle, triangle, square, heart, star, blue circle, red triangle, green square, pink heart, yellow star. A, B, C, D, E. Now we push the red star.
나는 다리야.
Turn the yellow knob.
나는 난이라고 해.
Push the green switch. And roll the blue switch.
자유랑 숨바꼭질하자.
1, 2, 3, 4. Red,
안녕.
yellow,
나는 난이라고.
green, blue. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy our videos and want to join our family, please hit the blue circle here and hit the red button to subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, click here for this video. Or you can click here for this one or up here for this one.